Hello everyone, welcome to GK Babaji YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing a very important topic of general awareness. This topic is National Parks in India. Friends, you must be aware that in all competitive exams, you get at least one or two questions based on this topic. Thus, I strongly recommend that you watch this video attentively in order to secure those precious marks. Okay, before moving on to the questions and answers about national parks in India, I would like to give you an idea about the types of questions that you can expect from this topic. The first type would be pretty straightforward questions where XYZ National Park is located in which state. You simply have to tell that the given national park is located in which state. In type 2, it would be the exact inverse of type 1 where you have to say that which of the following national park is located in XYZ state. Type 3, the question would be like which pair of national park and state is correct or incorrect. And type 4, it would be slightly advanced. It would be a sort of match the following where you have to match the list of national parks along with the list of states. So I hope you are clear about the types of questions that can come from this topic. Now let's move on to the questions and answers on National Parks of India. Question 1. Currently, there are how many national parks in India? The answer is 105. Question 2. Dachigam National Park is located in which union territory? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Question 3. Currently, how much area is covered by the 105 national parks of India? The answer is 40,501.13 square kilometers. Next question. Which of the following national park is located in Gujarat? The answer is Blackbuck National Park, Vidavdar. Question 5. Which among the following is the oldest national park in India? The answer is Jim Corbett National Park located in Uttarakhand. It was established in year 1936 as Haley National Park. Question 6. Which of the following pair of national park and state is correct? The answer is Papikunda National Park in Andhra Pradesh. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is the largest national park in India? The correct answer is Hemis National Park located in Ladakh. It is spread across an area of 4,400 square kilometers. Moving on to next question. Keoladeo National Park is located in which state? The answer is Rajasthan. Question 9. Which of the following is the smallest national park in India? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is South Button Island National Park, which is located in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and it is spread across an area of 5 square kilometers. Next question. Which of the following national parks are located in Assam? The correct answer is all of the above. Dibru-Saikhowa National Park, Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park. Question 11. Which state has the maximum number of national parks? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. There are 10 national parks in Madhya Pradesh. Question 12. Which of the following pair of national park and state is correct? The answer is Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal. Question 13. Which is the only floating national park in the world? The answer is Kebul Lamjau National Park, which is located in Manipur on Lothak Lake. Question 14. Bhitarkanika National Park is located in which state? The answer is Odisha. Question 15. Which of the following national park is located in Kerala? The answer is Periyar National Park. Question 16. Which of the following pair of national park and state is correct? The answer is Sultanpur National Park in Haryana. Question 17. Mollem National Park is located in which state? The answer is Goa. Question 18. Which of the following national park is located in Uttarakhand? The answer is Rajaji National Park. Question 19. Kanchenjunga National Park is located in which state? The answer is Sikkim. Question 20. Which of the following national park is located in Kerala? The answer is Silent Valley National Park. Question 21. Kangar Ghati National Park is located in which state? The correct answer is B. Chhattisgarh. Question 22. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park is located in? The answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Question 23. Which of the following state has a marine national park? The answer is C. Both A and B, that is, both Gujarat and Tamil Nadu have a marine national park. Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park is located in Tamil Nadu, and Marine National Park Gulf of Kutch is located in Gujarat. Question 24. Which of the following is the only national park in Bihar? Here are the options. The correct answer is Valmiki National Park. Question 25. This will be the last question. Which national park is named after the river that passes through it from north to south? Here are the options. The correct answer is Pench National Park, located in Madhya Pradesh. That's it, friends. So you can download the PDF from the link which has been given in the description box. The PDF contains the state-wise distribution of all the 105 national parks. So we hope that it will be useful for your competitive exams. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. You may even share it with your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Please subscribe to our channel GK Babaji. Thank you. Have a good day.